Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank you for your coming in my conference presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bambang Sugiarto. I come from Department of Informatics, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Sangga YPKP Bandung. The title of my presentation is The Implementation of Fuzzy Logic for Fire Extinguishing Robot Based on Arduino Uno. The author are Thomas Sugiarto, Slamet Riyadi, Rifah Hafiani Laluma, Gunawan Syah, Gunawan, and Rini Nuraini Sukmana. The outline of this presentation are introduction, and then fire extinguishing robot, fuzzy logic design for fire extinguishing robot, fuzzy logic implementation, result and analysis, and then conclusion. In introduction, we can see the background and the contribution of this paper. First, we can see the background of this research. Currently, robots are widely used to help human life. One of the functions of the robot is to help humans do risky work. One of them is fire extinguishing robot. This robot is a form of autonomously moving robot designed to assist in handle disaster or find fire point in a fire disaster. This robot has the task of finding hotspots and extinguishing them. This makes the robot must be smart in finding these hotspots in a different model. In Professor Richard, a fire extinguishing robot was designed using the pathfinding algorithm to get the hotspots. After getting the hotspot, this robot will try to extinguish the fire by using a fan that is connected to DC motor on the Arduino Uno board. In order to be smarter in extinguishing the fire, the method or algorithm is needed to turn off the fire, which is adjusted to the fire condition. This research aims to implement fuzzy logic on the fire extinguishing process according to the fire condition after the robot finds the fire point. The objective of this research is how to extinguish the fire by following the state of the flame in order to obtain a smaller power consumption of the fire extinguishing fan. So the state of fuzzification, inferencing, and defuzzification, the decision output is expected to produce the reference value for the extinguished DC fan according to the flame condition. In fire extinguishing robot, we can see the structure and the robot component of this fire extinguishing. In our previous research, a fire extinguishing robot has been developed to find the fire point. By using a pathfinding algorithm, the robot can find a fire point to extinguish the fire. This is the physical of the robot that it can be extinguish the fire. The fire extinguishing robot component, this picture, there is two sensors of this configuration. They are flame sensor and gas smoke sensor. If there is a fire point, the sensor will work and forward this signal to the microcontroller on the Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno is a computing center for processing the input signal from the sensor. The output of this board is produced by decision signal forward to DC motor wheel and the extinguishes fan. In this section, we discuss about fuzzy logic design for fire extinguishing robot. Fuzzy logic is a computing technique algorithm based on model logical reasoning using linguistic variable to produce a certain output. The architecture of this fuzzy logic, you can see in this figure, there are three stages of this fuzzy logic. There are fuzzification, inference, and the last is the defuzzification. The fuzzy set can be represented as a set of order pair of element E and its degree of membership function. A fuzzy set S is a pair of U and M. U is universe of discourse and it is a set and characterized by membership function. MS takes the value in the interval 1 or 0. The fuzzy set can be represented as a set of ordered pairs of elements E and its degree of the membership function and shown in the first equation. In this result, two parameters are used as subsets of S. They are E and B, where the probability that E belongs to S is the member function of the MS. The fuzzy union set and intersection set are defined as follow the second equation. The MA is the degree of the membership of X in A, and MB is the degree of membership of X in B. In the fuzzy logic design on this fire extinguishing robot, there are two input grips obtained for the measurement result of the flame sensor as A and smoke sensor as B. A fuzzy set is represented using a membership function graphically. The x-axis represents the universe of discourse and the y-axis represents the degree of membership function from 1 to 0. In representation, the membership function, the triangular membership function is used in this fuzzification process. The flame sensor input data is categorized into three criteria. They are small, medium, and large. In the smoke level data, there are three membership. They are rare, medium, and concentrate. For the Kris output consists of three-level membership and is related to DC fan speed when extinguishing the fire. This level are slow, medium, and fast. In the fuzzy inference process, the fuzzy input value that comes from the fuzzification process is then entered into a rule that has been created to be used as fuzzy output. These fuzzy rules are implemented using if-then rules and defined as a condition statement. If X is A and Y is B and Z is C, there are 9 fuzzy rules obtained from the result of the fuzzification process in this result with then if-then rules. In this inference process, the Mamdani method is used. The Mamdani method expects membership function of the output to be fuzzy set after accumulation of the tasks. Through min-max composition, we can complete this inference process in 2 steps. The step is choosing the minimum value to get the output membership degree. The second step is determining the maximum value of the membership degree with the same value, linguistic value. The last process in fuzzy logic structure is defuzzification, that is the converting process from the membership degree of output linguistic variable into Krebs value. There are many defuzzification methods in this process, like centered method, height method, weight average, other method. To produce the fuzzification process result, the centroid method is used to calculate the center of gravity for the area under the curve as shown in equation. This section will discuss about fuzzy logic implementation. Fuzzy logic will be implemented by following this program structure. There are three main of the component. They are Arduino Uno, flame and smoke sensor, and DC fan. First, the Arduino Uno will start this program and robot find a fire point. After that, there are active ping sensor, flame and smoke sensor, and then request for flame and smoke failure. Flame and smoke sensor will be measure the value of the flame and the smoke, and then transmit to the Arduino Uno to the fuzzification process, inference, and fuzzification. So the output of this stage is case output that we regulate DC fan speed. The fuzzy logic is adopted by using the open source Arduino software. This IDE makes it easier to use fuzzy logic for firefighting robot programs that have previously been programmed to find a fire point. In accordance with this fuzzy logic design described above, the fuzzification process is from two sensors. There are flame sensor and gas smoke sensor. And to perform the fuzzification process, the DC motor is used to drive a fan to turn off the fire and works from 0 to 5 for DC. This is the physical of DC motor that have been used in this research. The next section is result and analysis. The evaluation of the fuzzy logic programs on fire extinguishing robot is carried out by testing the DC fan speed according to the flame condition. The evaluation is carried out by comparing the result of the measurement by implementation fuzzy logic and without fuzzy logic or on-off system. In the table that can see, the DC fan speed is represented by the voltage input of the fan. The table shows that is the system without fuzzy logic, and the DC fan works just for 0 or 5 volt, depending on the set point of its sensor. It means that the fire extinguishing robot without fuzzy logic work by using the on-off system, while in the fire extinguishing robot system with fuzzy logic, it can be seen that the DC fan will rotate according to the speed given by the voltage calculated by fuzzy logic. In the table, it also can be seen that the resulting voltage has range that varies from 0 to 5 volts. This voltage according to the flame condition, which has been discussed in the previous fuzzy logic design. The last section is conclusion. The conclusion of this presentation is, first, fuzzy logic can be implemented properly to this fire extinguishing robot. The evaluation results show that fuzzy logic can work on the robot according to the design to the stage of fuzzification, inference, and defuzzification. The results show that the resulting voltage has a range that varies from 0 to 5 volts according to the flame condition. This flame condition is generated by the state of the fire sensor and smoke sensor. With the output of this fuzzy logic result, it can rotate the DC fan depending on the stage of the fire. This condition makes the DC fan not always rotate optimally all the time, and it can save battery consumption. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.